city was once the jewel of our kingdom, a place of light and beauty and music, and so it shall be once more! Let the armies of Mordor know this. Never again will the land of my people fall into enemy hands! The city of Osgiliath has been reclaimed! For Gondor! For Gondor! For Gondor!
Good speech. Nice and short.
Leaves more time for drinking. Break out the ale! These men are thirsty! Remember today, little brother. Today, life is good.
What? He's here.
Done, men.
Oh, one moment of peace can he not give us that?
Where is he? Where is Gondor's finest? Where is my firstborn?
Father!
Ha ha! They say you vanquished the enemy almost single-handed.
They exaggerate. The victory belongs to Faramir also.
But for Faramir, the city would still be standing. Were you not entrusted to protect it?
I would have done, but our numbers were too few.
Oh, too few. You let the enemy walk in and take it on a whim. Always you cast a poor reflection on me.
That is not my intent.
You give him no credit, and yet he tries to do your will. He loves you, father.
Do not trouble me with Faramir. I know his uses, and they are few. We have more urgent things to speak of. Elrond of Rivendell has called a meeting. He will not say why, but I have guessed its purpose. It is rumored the weapon of the enemy has been found.
The One Ring. Isildur's Bane.
And it has fallen into the hands of the elves. Everyone will try to claim it. Men, dwarves, wizards. We cannot let that happen. This thing must come to Gondor.
Gondor.
It's dangerous, I know. Ever the ring will seek to corrupt the hearts of lesser men, but you are strong, and our need is great. It is our blood which is being spilled, our people who are dying. Sauron is biding his time. He's massing fresh armies. He will return, and when he does, we will be powerless to stop him. You must go. Bring me back this mighty gift.
No. My place is here with my people, not in Rivendell.
Would you deny your own father?
There's need to go to Rivendell. Send me in his stead.
You? Oh, I see. A chance for Faramir, Captain of Gondor, to show his quality. I think not. I trust this mission only to your brother, the one who will not fail me.
Remember today, little brother.